I mean, I think the current situation currently now is the fact of that gender-based violence has become such a daily norm, that people tend to sort of like forget, that it's affecting each and everybody, it's affecting each and every human being, and people now keep paging the newspaper. You'll see somebody read, oh, it's another one, it's another murder, it's another beating, it's another what. So it has become so hateful and so distracting in the fact of that it is affecting, it is on the rise in the country, but then to a certain extent people tend to see it as another daily norm issue, which is not supposed to be the case. I mean, the effect comes from both the family in terms of, you can make an example of a wife. Just imagine if she happens to pass on because of gender-based violence, the effect that it will have on the child, the effect that it will have on the dependent, the effect that it's going to have on the other family members, that survive or that depend on this type of person. And then when you take it to the country, you can also think about the whole perception of how other countries see your country. You can also talk about, the contribution that this individual or this person was contributing, be it through taxpayer, be it through capacity building, be it through that employment that he or she was working in also. So it has both internal and external, it has both family as well as a nation effect. Awareness is there, but I think more awareness should be done actually, and it should also not be done exclusively to some people. It should be included both to males and females. It should also start in schools, of where the young boys and the young girls can also be educated about this whole issue of gender-based violence. I think when it comes to policies also, policies should really be looked into that, just to make sure that, the policies that we have, are they really tailored to address this issue, or are they broad so that we can try and address those. And then we also need to have a platform of where young boys and young males, where the youth can also really play an active role, because not only are the youth the future generation, but also the fact of that the youth have vibrant, they have vivid imagination, they can really try and see how these issues can be addressed. So it's a stepping stone. It might take some time, but I think if we can start with a little bit of a step at a time, we might be able to address these issues.